Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and this is a little bit of happy mail and a little giveaway because February is my birthday month, so I will do lots of little giveaways throughout February. But I'm really excited about this. It arrived earlier today, and when I first started my shop, excuse me a sec, which, as many of you know, is hobbyrocks.co.uk. When I first started it, I was using bags that I got from the post office. They were functionable, but they were ugly, you know, no two ways about it. So then I got some coloured ones, and I got some polka dot ones, which I've been using ever since. Bright magenta polka dots and various shades of pink. But I did a little search because I was running not low, but you know, before you run out, you need to restock your bags. So some of you know as well that recently I uploaded some mystery bags that you can buy for Valentine's Day, for Mother's Day, for birthdays, for days with a Y in it, any day. And I ordered some that had hearts on. Well, I wanted some with flowers. So there's these ones as well. So these are some really cute bags that I got, and I think I will get a bit more yarn in these. So I might use these for that as well as for posting stuff out. So I got a selection of really cool bags. So these ones are pink with flowers on. So you might get your items in these. But I do have some heart-shaped ones that I got specifically for Valentine's Day. And I got those really lovely organza ones for the other days. But these, I love them so much. Look at these. They're just so Mary Quantish. Do you know what I mean? It just reminds me so much. Now, these are all pretty small. I mean, I do have orders that are quite big. I have medium-sized ones, but I do have a lot around about this size. Especially things like the tulip eye-cord knitters all go in bags of this size. This is the ones that you may have seen pop through your door if you've ordered from me. These are the ones that I use all the time. So yeah, I've got some more of those. And then I have these, which I believe are a larger size. They're all from the same supplier, but I decided to mix it up a little bit, and these are gonna get really unruly now because I've taken them out of bags. But these ones are the same kind of pattern, but what a beautiful colour teal. So that's a slightly larger one in this beautiful kind of teal colour. And I got pink, the same size for that one. So that's larger. These are going to fall off. I might as well just pop them down there. There's my little kind of receipt. And then I got some of these gorgeous purple ones because, as I say, I did have magenta, and obviously these are even larger still. They're twice this size. I won't get them out because that's crazy, but I've got some lovely purple ones as well. So lots and lots of really snazzy packaging. Really, I love these. I like them a lot, especially, I've got to say, these ones. I might get more of these. And unfortunately, they didn't have them in the larger sizes. They did this one, obviously, but this was out of stock of them. But I will continue to fight the good fight until I find larger ones and keep getting some really snazzy, cool bags. There's nothing like it when you order something and a really beautiful package comes through the door. I was going to say pops onto your mat, but not all of them will fit. But yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it, to get a really nice package. Now, I had a parcel delivered today. It was a present for Gary I haven't got it on me, but a dark grey bag. Oh well, they obviously haven't. Well, I don't suppose they're selling pretty things, are they? But you know, when it comes to squishies and all that sort of thing, you know, yeah, got to be a little bit cute, haven't you? So this is my giveaway then. It is 100 days of crochet, love to craft every day. And there you go. It's got a lovely kind of springtime, summertime look about it. That's why I thought I would do it now, because we're starting to move away from all the Christmassy stuff that we've been doing. Got some lovely projects in here. Look at that cushion. Really pretty. I won't read you the table of contents. The actual thumbnails are ridiculous. I won't show you those. It's just way too small. But we'll see if we can find something lovely in this book to show you. Do it in a day, crochet. So we've got like wall hanging. You know how I feel about those. We'll move on swiftly. We've got a chameleon. Not a karma chameleon, just a purdy one. And we've got a dragon baby. Obviously we've got a bit of amigurumi going on here. Then we've got fidget key rings. I don't know why they're called fidget. Maybe you want to fidget with them, I don't know, but they're key rings. Nice bulky ones. Well, probably not that big when they're made. There they are. They're actually quite the right size for keys. Hopefully you saw that. Sandwich pouches. Oh, a pouch to put your sandwich in? You get a few fibres stuck to your sandwiches. You have to put your sandwiches in a bag first, wouldn't you? Then we've got an evening bag, which if you made that with blacks and sparkly yarn would look absolutely phenomenal. We've got ways to jazz up your flip-flops, sandals. And, oh, a sloth. He's very, very cute. Very, very cute sloth. We've got a hood thingy, cowl with a hood, snoody hoodie cowl. We've got a couple of kangaroos. Look at that with a little Joey. How cute. How cute is that? Dummy buddies. You know what end up on pacifiers across the pond? But you dangle them off your baby's pacifier dummy, we call it over here. We've also got a teething ring or rattle cover, whatever. Oh, we've got a men's beanie, but it's not anything Gary would wear. It's far too trendy. He doesn't like them covering his ears. Makes his hearing aid whistle. Trendy mitts. We've got some fingerless gloves. Covers for your coat hangers and things to put in your drawer, like pomanders. Oh, we've got a couple of sausage dogs. Little sausagey dogs. Lots of amigurumi in this. Oh, yoga mat bag. You know, if you're doing Pilates, yoga, that sort of thing, and you can have a nice little string bag for your yoga mat. As you can see by looking at me, I don't do it. I used to do Pilates, but it hurt. And I'm, you know, I couldn't bend like that now. Not the right at the moment anyway. It's called sweet storage, but don't put your sweets in it. You put your bits and bobs. Bits and bobs in your storage thingy. A floral corsage. I'm sorry, but I thought they looked like cookies. They look like those, see, this is why I'm this size. They remind me of Viennese whirls. That's a perfect corsage for me, isn't it? Cookies. There's a bag. We've got a hair doodah and a pair of booty things. Booties. Flower headband that was. And then we've got something for the weekend, sir. We've got a wreath. I'm not good with wall hangings. I'm just not. And we've got a couple of cushions. Sounded very Welsh. I don't know why, but it did. We've got a lacy scarf. It's time to bust out my lacy scarf tutorial, I think. A baby's sleep set. That's super cute, isn't it? Oh, look. I made one very similar, but it had a Pokemon thingy on it for Tyler when he was baby, because Gemma was really into Pokemon Go. We've got a dolly and her clothes. I have a naked doll that I keep saying I'm going to make clothes for, and I don't ever get round to it. It's on a couple of pages. We have a ruffled edge shawl. Ah, pom-pom baby hat. Very cute. We've got baskets. Are we halfway through? Yeah, we're halfway through. Can you tolerate me any longer? We've got bags and baskets. Bags and baskets. And then we've got another bag. Stripy one. A different couple of different colours to show you. Can't separate the... we've got more toys. And more toys. I think they're all over the next few pages because there was a few of them. We've got a light cardie, very trendy and young, which I probably am not. We've got a braided shrug. I tried one of those once, and I didn't get a very flattering response from my partner at the time. We've got a beautiful baby dress. That's what it's called. Not what I called it, it's what they called it. But it is though. A panda baby comforter. In other words, a lovey. With a panda. We got a button-up iPad cover made of chevrons. The big project. So we've got cardigan, which is on the front cover. Well, they call it a patchwork jacket, but it's not a jacket. We've got another one. Another cardie. Jacket, cardie, whatever they want to call it. We've got a crochet layered blanket. I always just call them textured when they're all different, you know, doodads. I made one like that once. I really loved it. I should do one for my channel. Make a polar bear rug. Trouble is, you'd trip on the head, wouldn't you? Well, I would. Don't make you. This is a stitch a lace work tee. Like a t-shirt we've made of lacy bottom bit. But I like the fact that the booby area isn't lacy. Simple bangle set. That's not large. Then we've got another little cardie. Jumper. Another shawl. That's what I'm looking for. You can tell my arms are starting to ache, couldn't you? Ah, a little animal bed. A small animal bed. So it could be a dog or a cat. A pet. A cosy pet bed. Ah, that's cute. We've got a buffet. That's kind of going to end up being tight. We've got a hooded blanket. A Robin Hood. No, what's the word? Little Red Riding Hoodie type thing. Then we've got more pages of stuff. Hoops. Another kind of blankety thing. Edging. Goes on about edging. How to put pockets in. Hexagons. Loads of stuff. Squares. We've got flowers. We've got triangles. Swatches. Why do you want to make swatches? I do, but then we've got the pillow. Sorry, I'm motoring on. Tunisian. A bit about Tunisian crochet. Broomstick stitch. So we've got a bit about broomstick. And a amigurumi, mastering amigurumi. Bits and techniques and stuffage. Oh, you can imagine there's loads. Mobile device cover. There's stuff everywhere. Challenging yourself. This is the end now. How to crochet. Finally, the bit at the back. Teaching Granny to suck eggs bit, as I like to call it. And then you've got the obligatory, I guess, abbreviations and stuffage that always bumps up the end. We've got a few charts. Very small amount. But that's it. It's a big book. Big, thick one. That was a whistle stop tour of it. So that's my giveaway. And what have you got to do? You've got to be a subscriber to my channel. And this will end... Oh, let's see. Next week. Let's do that, because otherwise we'll end up with loads that end in a month, won't we? So this one will end, what is it, Friday today? Next Friday. Let's do that. 1 week, Friday. So you've got to be a subscriber. Give me the phrase that pays. If you've watched any of my giveaways, you know what that is. If not, it's that you understand the terms and conditions and you're aware of the scammer. Terms and conditions are just, there's rules in the bottom. Have a little look at them. Like and share it if you can. Watch it in its entirety if you can. And, you know, all that stuff that I normally spout in my giveaways, as you can imagine. But mainly, you've got to be a subscriber. And if you haven't found my other channel, Rocksteady, then please do. There's a link in the description box to it and my shop. So, and also my knitting channel, if you haven't found that already. So thank you for watching. And I know it was a bit long going through there, but thanks for watching anyway. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.